Hi, and here we are with the SQA N5 Mathematics 2018 paper 1, and we're going to have a wee go at question 3 and 4. Question 3 is a simultaneous equation, so we have 4x plus 5y equals minus 3, and 6x take 2y is 5. Okay, the way I normally would tell my students to have a wee go at these is to make these two the same number, but with opposite signs. Okay, so we're going to make them both 10, so we're going to double this top line here. I'm going to multiply the second one by 5, and that will make them both 10. So 2 times 4x plus 5y is 8x plus 10y, and don't forget we have to multiply this side by minus 2, also that gives you minus 6. 5 times 6x is 30x, take, and 5 times 2y is 10y, so we have take 10y there, and don't forget 5 5s give you 25. Okay, I find this quite easy because you have 30 and 8 is 38, plus 10, take 10, they've disappeared, and then you have minus 6 add 25, which is 19. So 38x is 19, so x is 19 divided by 38, which is a half. Now we have to do the back substitutes. We have to choose whichever one of these equations that have both got x and y in them that seems the easiest. I'm going to pick 6x take 2y is 5. Now we already know that x is a half, so 6 times x is going to be 6 times a half, take 2y is 5, 6 halves give you 3. Take 2y is 5, and the easiest way is to do the old change the side, change the sign trick. Move the 5 over, becomes minus 5. Move the take 2y over, becomes plus 2y. 3 take 5 is minus 2, is 2y. And divide that, the minus 2 by the 2 gives you minus 1. So x is a half and y is minus 1. On to question 4, where we have two vectors given by the vector u, which is 1 on the x, 5 on the y, and 1 on the z. And we have this u add v, this new vector v, which gives you 6, minus 4, 3. And we are instructed to find vector v. So here we have it here. U add v is 6, minus 4, 3. Now we already know what vector u is. It's 1, 5, 1. Add, and then we have to figure out what this is to give you the 6 minus 4, 3. So 1 add what gives 6? Well, of course that's 5, you can see it there. And 5 add what gives minus 4? That's going to be minus 9. And 1 add what gives 3? And obviously that's just going to be 2. So this vector v must be 5 minus 9, 2.